The Meghalaya and Greater Shillong Progressive Hawkers and Street Vendors Association have criticised Tourism Minister Paul Lingdor for misleading the people on the proposal for relocation of the hawkers. While speaking to a section of the Reporters Association, Secretary Shane Thaba said that they were surprised by the claim of the Tourism Minister since he is not a member of the Town Vending Committee. He further questioned when the decision was taken for relocating 200 hawkers since the discussion is still on.
But upoli umdeiruhi member jongka TVC takumno nakapor sekapor keren baik but udat baik kita ginong di madan. But lamoler uthok usukor uang hana bala dep keren but kita ginong di madan kita ki ars panggut menau laju keren. Mentaka an kala ka sarkar kala manjur ban pentrai kam hani hajala jongi ka TVC ru kila dep thau mentaka kam kadang ya syai kadang ya keren kadang ya mirjing bot para maki bakumno ban pentai ya kita kinong di madan.
The Hnyotrup Youth Council on Thursday